Hi, I'm Heather Valentine from the Sewing Loft, and I love to share simple tips and everyday tricks to improve your stitching. But today I've got one that's all about our machines. Now, like many stitchers out there, I have more than one machine in my collection. I recently added the Baby Lock Jazz 2 to my sewing studio, and I love it. Not only is it a workhorse, but it makes it very easy for me to travel with instead of bringing my Baby Lock Destiny along. However, it's really important that we keep our cords and everything organized. So you'll notice that the cords look incredibly similar to one another, but they are not the same. In order for me to differentiate between the two of them, I add just a simple red colored pipe cleaner to one of my machines, and the Destiny has turquoise on it. I make sure that I add this to all of the components, including the cords, the pedal, and like I mentioned, even the top of my machine. This way, the next time I'm packing my machine up to travel for either a sewing class, a local guild meeting, or even my next Sew Scrappy retreat, I know that all I have to do is grab all of the components with the red pipe cleaner on it, and I am ready to go. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip. Be sure to visit me at thesewingloft.com for even more tips to help you improve your everyday stitching.